Hey guys, so this is the exact style house that I look for when I look for houses that I want to renovate, live in, renovate, and then sell in a few years. So this is Cedar Wood. It's in Coventry Woods neighborhood. And it's a 3-2 and it's super cute, but it hasn't been updated since probably 1950s. Maureen Mahood, broker owner of Sell Your Home Charlotte here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. I help people buy and sell real estate. I also have Bryan Segers here with me. Bryan from United Community Mortgage. Say hi, Bryan.
Hi.
If you were to buy this house, Bryan, because the two of us came up here and we're both mid-century modern fans, it was self-evident that if either of us were looking to move, it would be in line to make an offer on this house. So tell us, what would you do for financing?
So it's a beautiful house, and it definitely needs some work. It's built in the 60s, but it's solid. My favorite for this, there's this Fannie Mae loan called the HomeStyle Renovation loan. If you are a first-time home buyer, you only have to put 3% down. If you've owned a home in less than 3 years, you have to put 5% down. But the best thing about it is you can finance in all the improvements. So like in this house, it has beautiful hardwoods underneath the carpet. It has a horrible kitchen and it has an ugly bathroom. But you can refinance when you buy it, get a contractor, work with them, and you can finance in a new electrical system, a new HVAC system, bathrooms, kitchens, all of these things. With the HomeStyle Reno, you can scrape the roof off and add a second story. You can do anything you want as long as we maintain the exterior 4 walls of the house. We can go up to a loan amount of $766,000 on a single family. So if I were going to buy this house, then I would do a HomeStyle Reno. I would put 5% down, finance in all those improvements that I want, and then I would enjoy the house.
All right, let's go inside and check it out. Okay, so we didn't even get inside and we were talking about what will we do with this spot, and Bryan had some great ideas.
So I'm all about marrying the indoors and outdoors. So we've got these old slat windows. I think I would do either a French door or one of the really big sliding doors that opens up, and just create in this breezeway an area that links to the outside. I would probably do a second fireplace on the outside of the existing fireplace, and I think I would have a very nice seating area right here that maybe with a pergola roof over it, that just gives you the ability to just sit outside and enjoy the weather. It's a quiet street, so you don't really have to care about the privacy of being in the back. And plus, front porches, they make you know your neighbors. And so this isn't a front porch, but it's an area out front where you can sit and just enjoy the space. I think it could be really cool.
Okay, now we're really going inside.
So let me give you a little bit of stats on this home. So this is listed by Danielle Edwards, and she's a RE/MAX agent, and she graciously let me do a video. 1104 Cedarwood Lane sits on 1.13 acres in Coventry Woods neighborhood. It's listed at $250,000, and it is 1,500 square feet, 3 beds and 2 baths. Let me know if you have any questions on this property, and I would love to help you out.
Okay, Bryan, so that's a pretty cool house.
I think it is.
I think that the bones of this house are amazing. I love the fact that it's like a rolling branch. And at 250, I think if you said a number, I say 100,000. You need 100,000 to do it the way you probably want it done.
So I had a smaller number, but I was thinking about just putting lipstick on it.
Yeah.
Like I would just lipstick on the bathrooms, demo everything myself, redo the kitchen.
Are you swinging a sledgehammer, or you're
I have my own sledgehammers.
Oh,
I have my own sledgehammers. I have pry bars. You name it, I got it.
So you were thinking rip up the carpet, pretty much keep what you could in the bathroom.
The 2 bathrooms, I would probably take them down to the stud.
Yeah.
But I would do cheaper tile from like the little octagons from Floors and Decor.
Which I love them.
Yeah, I would. And for an older house like this, a lot of people don't know this, but when you have an older home, if you put those small tiles in, they don't crack. So if you older homes, things move and shift,
Mhm.
and so the tiles don't crack, the grout does, and you just regrout it. Whereas if you do the bigger 12-inch or the travertine or anything like that, as the house moves, then you end up with cracked tiles. That's a pain. But if you're doing those small ones, you just end up with cracked grout because the tile can adjust with the house.
And I love those, and I love the penny tiles too.
I love the penny tiles.
Because I feel like and I think they're really good with this era. People who have followed me for the last few years know that when I redo a house, I live in it, so
Same, always.
I can't do the inserts.
Mm-hmm.
I have to tear everything out and
Yeah.
spend way too much money, and then wait 4 years before I'm going to use it.
Solid. Capital gains are not your friend.
Capital is my friend. But what do you guys think? I think probably 100 grand. Brian said 40.
I think 40 to 50.
Okay, you're hedging your bets now.
Yeah, I think you could do it 40 to 50. We would have to ask my friend Rick Maglioka
Yeah.
about cabinets.
Rick's cabinet guy.
Rick owns New Day Cabinetry, or New Day Building Supplies over in Dilworth.
We're not even
Awesome.
going to charge Rick for this. So yeah, so what do you guys think? Do you think 100 grand, more than 100 grand to reno? The house after repair value in Coventry Woods is going to be at least 450 of this size house at least.
I think you can have built-in equity.
Yeah, you would have built-in equity pretty quickly. And that's the benefit of getting a house that needs work and putting in your sweat equity, even if it's like this one's a lot, and I don't know that you could move into it and do the rentals while you're living there. That's my only thing. But yeah, so let us know in the comments what you guys think. Maureen Mahood, broker owner of Cedar from Charlotte here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina.
And Bryan Segers with United Community Bank Mortgage Division.
All right, we're going to try and do a few of these just so you guys can see some houses in Charlotte and understand the financing options that are available for those houses. How? Hey, Charlotte.
Hi.